So here we are, everyone, just getting ready for kickoff day one at IFEX 2026. Here at the Codico stand, we have a range of technologies on display. Almost here is a Stand 710.
So the finalists in the Catering Equipment Innovation Awards were Advanced Cash Control Systems, CBE, Codico Distributors,
So Noel, as we wrap up IFEX 2026, how did you think the show went?
Excellent. Great conversations with existing customers, some new startup customers. It's going to make us really busy for the next couple of weeks, going out and visiting these sites and fixing their labeling needs. Roll on, IFEX 2028.